In this video tutorial, we'll be showing you how to select a Hayes original flywheel coupling. Going to our home page, you can either select flywheel couplings from the pictured option or go to Products, Flywheel Couplings. Once that page opens, you will go to the original flywheel couplings. This page will give you general information about the product. The options that open to the left of the product picture, the first option is SAE spline, which means that you have an SAE flywheel, an SAE housing, and a splined pump shaft you are working with. If that's what you're working with, select this option. Second option is if you're using, again, an SAE flywheel and an SAE housing, but you have a keyed shaft. Third option being you do not have an SAE flywheel and housing. You either have a semi-SAE or non-SAE housing and or flywheel. You're using a flat face flywheel engine with a starter plate or with no starter plate. And again, with a splined pump shaft. And the same option here in regards to a non-SAE with a bore and a key. Let's go ahead and select the housing or semi-SAE with a spline shaft. It gives you many options of the different housings that we offer for the engines that are out there. Let's go with Kubota. Going to the Kubota, again on the Kubota line, you have multiple different options. Let's go with the Kubota 05 series. Here's an option. We'll select 50 horsepower rating. And let's go ahead and select a 15-tooth shaft for the pump. Now when you get to this page, it will open up many options that are available for that particular setup. Walk you through a couple of those. The first option mentions it has a foot mount on the housing, so actually our housing will be able to mount the back of your engine. As mentioned, it was the 15-tooth you selected, 2-bolt mount. This has an SAE-A, which would be considered a semi-standard. Normally with a 15-tooth it would be an SAE-B, but we do offer it as an A because those do exist out there. And this mount has a vertical and horizontal mount for the pump. Second option is a face mount. So there's a large face on this housing in order to add bracketry to mount the back of the engine and or mount accessories on that. This happens to be a B mount with a 2-bolt. Another option will be our standard mount. This standard mount does not have feet or a face mount, except the face mount does obviously mount the pump. You've got a 2-bolt mount, SAE-B, rated to 50 horsepower. And the pump mount orientation is horizontal. Here's a foot mount, again, 2-bolt, SAE-B. This one does have a sensor for a mag pickup. Let's go ahead and select this option. Selecting that option opens up the drawing for you, shows you exactly what you would receive if you were to order this kit. You're going to get the coupling assembly, all assembled, ready to bolt to your flywheel. You're going to get the housing, you're going to get the dowel pins pre-installed in the housing, and you're going to get the mounting hardware that's going to mount the housing to the engine as well as the coupling to the flywheel. So if you've got the engine and you have the pump, all you'll need is this kit and you'll be ready to go. The part number you would order for this kit is 952019. If you have any further questions on the Hayes original flywheel coupling, please give us a call, 231-879-3372. We'll talk to you soon.